Today, we're diving into a topic that a lot of IT leaders, MSPs, and enterprise operators are dealing with right now: decommissioning your data center. Whether you're consolidating facilities, moving things to the cloud, or refreshing outdated infrastructure, choosing the right decommissioning partner is critical. So, we're going to break down the best data center decommissioning companies in the industry, what they do, and how to choose the right one. To start, for some of you that just need an answer really quick, we are going to give you a list for too long, didn't read, didn't listen, for the best data center decommissioning companies. We have Alta Technologies, which is the best for value recovery and your full service decommissioning package. We have Iron Mountain, who are best at security and compliance on a global scale. Exit Technologies, best for fast, efficient ITAD and equipment buyback. EPC, which is best for environmental compliance and reporting. And Liquid Technology, which are some of the best at eco-friendly decommissioning, and they have a very transparent chain of custody. So now let's get into why data center decommissioning really matters. So most people think that decommissioning is just unplugging servers and calling it a day, but in reality, it's a high-stakes operation involving asset audits and inventory tracking, secure data erasure or destruction, environmental compliance, hardware recovery, hardware reuse, or hardware resale. Then there's coordinating logistics at multiple sites if you're a large operation, and most importantly, ensuring that there's no data leakage. Choosing the right partner protects your business from compliance issues, financial losses, and major security vulnerabilities. Before we take a look at Alta and some of the other options in the space, there are a few key qualities you should look for in any decommissioning provider. They need to be certified in data destruction. Some examples of these certifications are R2v3, RIOS, NIDA AAA, and there are a few ISO standards that fit the bill as well. They need to have the capability to handle the full scope, from de-racking to shipping to reporting. You want to pick a partner that can help you with the entire process. They also need transparency in their chain of custody. Every asset should be trackable from removal to the final disposition. Good partners can also help you make some money back with a strong resale and recovery program. That way your old equipment doesn't just get thrown away. Most of these jobs can't be done remotely, especially if you have equipment that needs to be removed, so on-site services are a big plus as well. And of course they need industry experience, because decommissioning a large facility is not quite the same as just a small server room. And now that we've got some of that criteria down, let's take a look at some of the options. We'll look at Alta Technologies. They're one of the largest independent IT resellers and decommissioning partners in North America. With over 30 years of experience, their massive in-house technical team is one aspect that makes them stand out. They have a very experienced and large engineering team on staff that can help you with any questions you may have. They do on-site decommissioning and offer full data destruction services. They have a strong emphasis on asset recovery, including helping companies recapture some of their value by buying back their old equipment. They have deep expertise with servers, storage, and networking hardware, and they cover most brands, models, so they've pretty well seen every type of equipment you may have. They also have a 100,000 square foot facility that is strictly dedicated to testing, refurbishing, and secure handling of your equipment. If you're looking for a partner who not only removes your equipment, but also maximizes your resale value, Alta is a rock-solid option. Next up, we're going to take a look at Iron Mountain. They offer a full suite of decommissioning services. They handle physical inventory audits, de-racking, rack removal, and they support storage, servers, networking, computer tapes, the whole 9 yards. Iron Mountain offers enterprise-grade data sanitization, or destruction and shredding for drives, tapes, or other media, and they can operate off-site or on-site, depending on the client. Plus, every asset gets tracked with a full audit trail and certificate of destruction. Assets that still hold value can be refurbished, tested, graded, and then resold, which allows your company to recoup some value and help offset the decommissioning costs. Their infrastructure and logistics are built to support large-scale or multi-site data center decommissions, including hyperscale environments like you see here. They emphasize environmentally responsible recycling when assets can't be reused, aligning with ESG and ITAD best practices. If data security, compliance, auditability, and handling large-scale shutdowns are your priority, especially in regulated industries like finance or healthcare, then Iron Mountain may be a good option. Next up is Exit Technologies. They have 25 years of experience doing data center decommissioning and ITAD projects globally, including working for some large data center companies. They begin with discovery and asset list reconciliation to catch omitted assets and avoid mistakes, and then handle the entire process as well, from hardware decommissioning to on-site data erasure, and of course packing and shipping with full chain of custody and recycling as well. Exit Technologies also remarkets and redeploys equipment that is refurbished and compete with the best in the business for recovery value as well. They are R2 certified for recycling or end-of-life disposal and offer documented compliance, which helps satisfy environmental and regulatory obligations. They are good for projects of varying sizes, from a few racks to large-scale facility shutdowns, and are able to provide a pretty well end-to-end service. They can pretty well cover the entire 9 yards, or just different parts that you need, whether it's asset valuation, logistics, or destruction. If you need a responsive, flexible ITAD partner who emphasizes value recovery and offers transparent handling, especially if you need to recoup some value from some of your old equipment, then Exit Technologies may be the right fit for you. Next on the list is Liquid Technology. They also offer secure data destruction on or off-site, hard drive shredding, data wiping, and they are environmentally responsible for their e-waste recycling. They meet NIST and DoD guidelines for data destruction and adhere to EPA guidelines for e-waste disposal. They're certified under R2v3, e-stewards, several different ISO standards including 9001, and NIDA AAA, which covers security, environmental, quality, and recycling standards. If your gear still has any value, Liquid Technology can help assess, purchase, or even broker a resale for your equipment. They offer fair liquidation or buybacks, which can offset some of their disposal costs, like some of the other options we've discussed. They're also good if you're moving to the cloud or consolidating data centers. They help with secure removal, logistics, resale, essentially like a full cloud migration partner, if you will. Every data-bearing device is tracked, and after deconstruction, they provide documentation for compliance and audit readiness. If you really care about compliance, sustainability, and liquidation, and you need a comprehensive service that handles everything, Liquid Technology may be another good option for you as well, especially if you need to minimize your environmental impact and support ESG goals. And the last option we'll look at is EPC Global Solutions. They operate internationally, offering solutions around the world, especially if you have a multi-region chain of data centers or global operations. They provide on-site data destruction, electronics recycling, secure logistics, and managed ITAD service. Their process is designed to maximize the resale or reuse of still useful equipment. That way they can reduce e-waste and support environmental compliance, as well as your corporate CSR or ESG goals. They maintain quality and security standards, and for many organizations, the certification backbone they have is vital when dealing with regulated data or cross-border disposal if you operate in multiple countries. They claim flexibility, able to design a disposal or recovery plan depending on the client's security protocols, size, compliance needs, and logistical constraints, whether that be on-site destruction or recycling of old equipment or remarketing your old equipment. If you manage enterprise-scale operations across multiple regions or countries, and you need a global ITAD partner, or you have complex logistical, compliance, or sustainability requirements, or maybe you just want one finger to point for your entire operation in different countries, EPC is a good option for you as well. So to recap, how can you figure out which partner is the best for you? If you need maximum value recovery, especially in the United States, you should probably take a look at Alta Technologies first. If you need large-scale global coverage and strict compliance, Iron Mountain may be a good option for you to look into. If you need a balanced mix of speed, service, and pricing, Exit, Liquid Technology, and EPC all deliver great outcomes as well. Ultimately, the best partner is the one that matches your scope, your compliance needs, and how much of the process you need handled for you. With a few of these companies operating worldwide and being based in different parts of the world, there may also be a local company aspect that better matches your needs as well.